Doctors are worried about a surge in COVID cases now that the new Omicron variant has been confirmed in at least 4 states. That's California, Colorado, Minnesota, and now New York and Hawaii. To try and get ahead of the spike, President Biden is laying out a winter plan. Sarah Hammond breaks down what it means for us here in Hampton Roads.
As the Omicron variant is starting to appear in the U.S. and doctors are anticipating another winter surge, President Biden laid out his plan to keep the virus under control in the coming months. So we're breaking down exactly what that plan means for you.
This new variant is cause for concern, but not panic.
So the main takeaways from the plan are expanding access to boosters, free at-home rapid test to stay strategies in schools, and new travel requirements. First and foremost, Biden emphasized the importance of getting a booster shot.
Go get your booster now.
Next, the president says his team is working to require private insurers to cover at-home testing. About 150 million people with private insurance would see easier and cheaper access to the at-home tests.
I used the Defense Production Act to increase production of rapid tests, including at-home tests.
As for travel, beginning next week, all travelers coming into the U.S. will have to show proof of a negative COVID-19 test within 1 day of boarding their flight. That's regardless of nationality or vaccination status. Biden is also extending the rule that requires masks on airplanes and other public transit through at least the middle of March. A big change coming to schools across the country will be the new test to stay policies. Biden says a student who's considered a close contact who tests negative can continue to go to school wearing a mask and undergo frequent testing instead of quarantining. And finally, the administration has more than 60 teams available to help with any COVID-19 surges we may see, with half aimed at bolstering hospital services and 20 targeted at supporting monoclonal antibody treatments.
We're going to fight this variant with science and speed.
For 13 News Now, I'm Sarah Hammond.
Well, the Omicron variant hasn't been detected in Virginia. State leaders are keeping an eye out for it. The Virginia Department of Health is checking positive COVID-19 samples to see if it's already here.